Hello everyone, my name is Anita and I am a corporate and a motivational speaker as well as a financial planner. It is great to speak here on this platform. Special thanks to Dr. Dinesh Gupta for this wonderful opportunity. Let me begin with thanking few people in my life. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents for not killing me at birth because I am a girl. I owe my life to them. Secondly, I would like to thank those men and women who stood for the education system and given the right to educate every girl child. I owe my education to them. And I thank my husband and my in-laws for not letting me quit my job and valuing my work. I owe my career to them. Recently, I had a survey wherein I spoke to few of the people I know, that means the age group of the people or men who are about to get married. My question to them was, what type of girl will you get married? The answer was only one from everybody. That was common answer, a working woman. So when we talk about working women, obviously with that working woman you also have to accept these few facts. Here is a girl who is as much as educated as you are. Also, she is earning as much you earn. One who has dreams and aspirations in her life. Because she is also a human as you are. One who has never entered her kitchen in her life, just like you and your sister haven't. Because she was also busy in completing or competing with this system wherein there is no special concession for a girl child. One who has lived and loved her parents for the rest of 25 to 30 years, same as you do. But one who agreed to bravely leave everything behind and come and adopt your family, your culture, your values, and keep each and every member in your family happy. One who is expected to make the tea first thing in the morning and cook food at the end of the day, even if she is tired as you are. And never expected to complain. She is a servant, a cook. I say it again. She is expected to be a servant, a cook, a mother, a wife, even she does not want to, and is learning just like you are as to what you wanted from her. Also, she is clumsy and sloppy at times and knows that you won't like it if she is too demanding, and that is why she stopped complaining. One who has her own set of friends, which includes boys as well, and men's also, even at her workplace. Those who she knows from school days. And yet she is willing to put everything behind and avoid. Why? Because it will create an irrational jealousy to you. Yes, she can also drink, she can dance just as you do it. But she won't. Why? Because you won't like it. One who can be late from office once in a while, right? Everybody at office has to meet their own deadlines as you do. So as a female, she don't have any concession at office. She also has to meet deadlines. She can be late sometimes. One who is doing her level best and want to make the most of the important to keep this relationship at the peak and happy. If you just help her a little and trust her. One who just want one thing from you, You are the only one she knows in the entire house. And that is where she will always feel, or she will always seek your support. Why? Because she has married you. She was the first person to know you, and you are the first person she was knowing. That is why she demands a lot of things from you. You need to understand her. This is the age wherein understanding will create a better relationship. That is where we talk about that woman needs wow men. So when we talk about wow man, it should be really a wow who understands and helps her seek any support which a woman requires. Endly, I would like to last this by saying one line that since ages a woman is looking out or hunting for a wow man. So be the one. Let's change man to within to be a wow man. Thank you so much.